Traders, welcome back. Today we are taking a close look at Eigen, and if you missed our previous analysis, don't worry. This is our first deep dive into this coin. Looking closely, the overall market is clearly in a downtrend. Price has been forming a series of higher lows and higher highs, which might seem counterintuitive at first, but when we connect the recent lows with a trend line, we can see that this trend line has been respected multiple times. Each time price comes back to this trend line, it shows a strong rejection to the upside, proving that this trend line is a critical level to watch. Zooming in further, we notice a classic triple top chart pattern formation around this zone, giving us a precise area to anticipate price reactions. Currently, price is trading around 0.50, and as we observe, it is approaching this trend line to potentially complete the triple top chart pattern setup. This reinforces the idea that Eigen is in a downtrend and that this trend line is our key level for trade entries. Here's what we are watching closely. If the price comes back to this trend line around 0.59 and forms a clear bearish candlestick, goes like a rejection wick, bearish engulfing or pin bar, this gives us a strong confirmation to sell from there to the downside. The logic is simple. Sellers are defending the trend line and the downtrend is likely to continue. However, if the market fails to respect the trend line and instead breaks above it decisively, this indicates that buyers are stepping back into the market. In that case, we will wait patiently for a retest of the broken level. If the retest forms a bullish candlestick confirmation, that becomes our setup to look for a buy entry, signaling a potential trend reversal or temporary upside correction. Trend lines are more than just lines. They represent collective trader behavior. Each time price respects a trend line, it shows seller dominance, and repeated rejections increase the level's significance. Conversely, a break of this trend line can shift momentum and change market control to buyers. Observing how price reacts at these levels is crucial for disciplined trading. So in summary, Eigen is currently in a downtrend, forming a series of higher lows and higher highs along the trend line. The trend line around 0.59 is our key level, acting as strong resistance. If price respects this trend line, look for a sell. If price breaks above it, wait for the retest and look for a buy. Traders, what do you think? Will Eigen respect this trend line and continue downward? Or will buyers break through and challenge the trend? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Alright traders, that's all we have on Eigen for today. Stay disciplined, trade smart, and I'll see you in the next video.